Okay, everyone, let's connect in. And allowing yourself to settle into the solid support beneath you now. And taking those 3 big deep breaths, activating, clarifying, illuminating breaths. As you do, bringing that awareness deeply into the heart. Once again, the heart is your divine oracle. And as you are a child of the divine, the heart is that place of collapse between the higher frequencies and the inner frequencies. It is the vortex that brings it all together. And let's just, as your breathing may return to its natural pace now, if you feel guided to, you may bring your hands to your heart, for where the attention goes, the energy flows. If you're comfortable just sending your awareness, that's fine. But let's just begin to expand awareness inside the heart about how much you love your heart. I love my heart. I love my heart so much. It is beautiful. It is capable. My heart is capable. My heart is faithful. Oh, it has beat every beat of this life. And as we're doing this, we are letting all of the other static fade away, because the heart is a wonderfully tuned instrument, and we are expanding the field of the heart. And let's just bring awareness to how strong my heart is. My heart is strong. And we bring in this, not just the physical instrument of the heart, which this may be absolutely true. We are talking about the divine energy of the heart. It is so intelligent. It is so intuitive. It is so present. And we call in these energies now with this heart energy, this heart center. And I even in this moment am able to, if you would like to join me, you're invited to consider surrendering control, surrendering the demand to understand how the heart can guide and heal and uplift. I just choose to relax in the thinking mind. I relax the thinking mind and let this love, this God principle of love, and let's just enhance love now. Bring to mind, bring to heart someone, something that you love so much. And that tenderness, it's somehow vulnerable and strong at once. And you're invited to just give yourself into it even more, even just wondering what it means to give yourself into love, to heart energy even more. And now from this place, still connected to the heart, bring your awareness all the way down through your body, through your being, and bring your awareness to your feet. And whether they are literally at this time connected to the earth, or if it's just symbolic, knowing that your feet are the primary connectors to earth. They are the strongest magnets, partners in your form. Your feet find the earth more than anything else of your being. And so sending appreciation to the feet now, and actually with this idea of appreciating, sending love to the feet. And as you notice this love that you are sending to the feet, visualize or have a sense of like the ground is lighting up at your feet, in your feet, and all around, where there's this light, a kind of glow as you are connected to the earth. Just imagine what this glowing energy about and around and even inside your feet, and you might start to imagine it growing, and as it grows, you're noticing that it's moving up your body. For now, we're going to notice also that it moves into the earth, this glow. And notice that there can be definition, like lines of light from your feet. Maybe it seems like, the nerve endings. Maybe it seems like those roots of a tree, and they're very illuminated. And it's from your feet connecting into the earth. It's very malleable. It creates quite a lot of freedom with this connection. In fact, it doesn't create tightness. It creates a levity. It is an aligned kind of connecting all these tiny little lines of light, little roots, little gentle lightning rods, like a spreading out from the feet into the earth now. All of that light though, and notice that those little roots, those little lines of light know where to connect, and they do connect into other lines of light. This is that crystalline light that we are talking about, alive, dynamic, brilliant. And they are plugged in. Hundreds, maybe thousands of little connections that you're noticing as they branch and connect in. And this connecting into this grid, it is connected to the all. Now let's follow it through. You may notice it, you may imagine it through the whole of the earth, going down into it, the sphere of the earth, finally finding its way to that crystal core, a brilliant crystalline light energy, so illuminated down here in the heart of the earth, the bosom of Gaia. And while we're aware of the feet on the earth and this connection into the grid, let's allow the self to just drift and float and be in the very center of that light core, crystalline light. To be in that heart, that space of Gaia love, a warmth, a nurturing, a knowing, how a mother knows her child so perfectly, how a mother champions her child to be, just simply be, my love, to be here and reattuned to this knowing, acceptance, this empowerment from this precious love. And so filled up with this light. As you draw up this awareness now, find yourself standing on the earth again, but with that powerful connection to that divine Gaia love, light. And as you're standing here, drawing up that energy, connecting into this crystalline grid, knowing that your brethren, your sisters, your loved ones, ancestors, past, present, and future, all of the activity, as well as the beings of nature and animal, all of it is encoded here. The witness of your mother, as she has noticed every action, and she has blessed and loved it, and she has held you and all of the others in it. That is here in this grid of light moving from her core and connecting up to your feet, and you are connecting to all of it. You are feeling the compassion. You are feeling the witness and the healing coverage that your Mother Gaia feels for you and for everyone, everything. Standing here with this deep connection now, you notice that all the while you have been in the direct path of Source. And so it may be as if a column of light that has moved down from the top of the universe, the central sun of the universe, Source energy, God energy, life force. It is a light that is moving from that space through you and connected all the way into the earth to her crystalline core, and you are fully imbued. You may feel that resonance. You may imagine what it is to have that column of light resonance that moves all the way through you, but as you sink into it a little more, as you feel into the heart that is alchemizing all of this awareness, it is you expanded. And anywhere you send your awareness, your imagining, it is touched by this light. It is held in this love. And this witness, this compassion, this activation, this championing that you feel from your Mother Gaia and from Source, from God, from Creator. And you may feel into your heart now this strength, once again, this strength to believe in your brothers and sisters, and to just surrender that there doesn't need to be any organization of how to do, that in fact, love knows how to do. Love knows how to be. And you are fully occupied in this. You may even feel a kind of excitement now. Perhaps you too, you feel an excitement that now I'm going to go and be. And my being with my brothers and sisters, my being with the plants and animals, allows Gaia to love through me, allows Source to create through me. And it is all unfolding. And now we just take a moment with this awareness and this divine confidence to allow, to notice that as Gaia does receive these codes from Source energy, and she alchemizes them and releases them to her children, that we just have the intention to upload these codes, upload transmissions, upload packages of energy that will do miracles. All that it is that we do is we are being, and then each footfall on the path of light allows miracles to unfold. So I intend to upload these codes, and I surrender my will over to the will of the One, just the will of love. Recognizing that I can always tap into my heart. As you tap into your heart, this balance comes in, this alignment comes in, this divine confidence comes in, this will of love comes in. And so with this, we just anchor it into the heart. We allow it to ripple out into the mind, into the emotions, and into the physical body, so that there is only flow along this path of being. Bringing the awareness back to the heart now, and with gratitude and appreciation, we receive. I receive. Thank you. Thank you, love, for always knowing how to find me and remind me. And I intend to overflow with this energy. Thank you. Thank you. And there we are. You can come back to the space if you like, or if you want to float off, you are welcome to.